Our next presentation is by Anjali Bharatanatyam Research Trust, Mumbai, founded by our very own Kalashri, Dr. Lata Surendra. Dr. Lata Surendra is a renowned performer, a fastidious mentor, and an imaginative choreographer, a sought-after curator, a dance journalist, a committed independent researcher, a sensitive poet in the field of Bharatanatyam over 6 decades. She is a recipient of the prestigious Maharashtra Rajya Sasana Sanskruti Puraskar for dance from the Mantralaya Department of Cultural Affairs, Government of Maharashtra. She is the recipient of the Kerala Sangeet Natak Academy Kalashri Puraskar and the Swami Haridas Sammelan Gaurav Puraskar, VVMC Palghar, Global Ambassador of Peace Award from the Diplomatic Commission, New Jersey, the Foxclues India's Top 100 Educator Award, Kanaka Nartana Puraskar from the legendary Padma Bhushan Dr. Kanak Rele, the Kalasarthi Award from His Holiness Guru Sri Ravi Shankar, and several titles and honors from various dance sabhas, religious heads, and corporates. Her institution, Anjali Bharatanatyam Research Trust Registered, has completed its Golden Jubilee in 2024. She has left an indelible mark on the cultural landscape, captivating audiences worldwide with her artistic prowess and innovative approach to dance in the written, spoken, and delineated word through her performances, choreographies, lectures, and workshops all over the globe. As the section president of the first section of the International Dance Council, with its headquarters in Paris, affiliated with UNESCO, she has conducted 2 World Congress with over 350 delegates from all over the world. I was also part of one of the congress that time. As the custodian of the rich legacy of her legendary Guru Kalai Mamani, Sri T.S. Kadirvallu Pillai, she has also created several Varnams, Alaripus, and unique productions and presented them in festivals all over the globe. Her unique themes, such as Jnaneshwar, Sleeping Beauty, Janmale Taranhar, and many others, have been telecasted on television. She is part of the NCPA outreach programs and imparts the beauty of the art form unto children in underprivileged sectors. She believes truly that dance is a bridge linking worlds. They will now present Ananya Mohan Iyer, Megha Mukesh Pillai, and Lavanya Uchil. That's the name I have received. I request Ananya to announce the kuttis here who will be performing, or I'll request. They will be performing today Bhaje Rama Madhyam, concept and choreography by Kalashri Dr. Lata Surendra with live orchestra. We have on Natvangam, Kalashri Dr. Lata Surendra. On vocal, we have Sri Shiva Prasad ji. On Mridangam, we have Sri Chandan ji. And on violin is Sri Satish Sheshadri. Over to you, Lataka.
Hare Krishna, Jai Gurudev. When you look back at life and you look at the arts, inspired by the life and contributing to it and enriching lives, you realize life truly as benediction. I think the arts is about the divinization of the human being and the humanizing of the God, bringing him so close that you can converse with him face to face and share him with Rasikas beyond. I'm absolutely privileged to be gathered in this ambience of the arts that makes a weekend ever so strong by Shyamal. I have watched Shyamal take on the mantle of a curator, and it's not an easy task, mind you, when there's no philanthropy. Everything goes against you. And yet, she has made it through 10 years. May this 10 years move on to the silver and the golden. and also good wishes to every artist who is present in the festival. You know, we live in an age of breaking news. And Rishi Munis would say, let us be born here, because it's easy to find God. And truly it is. How can we find Ayodhya? It is just one flight away. And with Rama in our hearts, we can unleash the Ravan in us very easily today. But it is only in the area of fine arts that the light transforms into the lamp in the penury of our hearts. And I feel the best way to have youngsters connect to the truth, that is divinity, is to dance the message. Today I have brought in the micro molds of my institutions. Even the gunguroos won't go around their ankle because that's the maximum size that you have. They are the kinkinis. I'm reaching out with the kinkinis, you see, of the festival. From the side to the center stage is a journey, and from mime to spontaneous delineation. But this is how they grow from platform to platform, festival to festival. Thank you, Shamal. And the music for this beautiful Varnam that I'm presenting today, it's a capsuled Varnam to suit this timing. It's about none other than the truth that is Maryada Purushottama, Rama. The music is composed by Shri N.N. Shivaprasad, who's been with me for over 4 decades, and of course, the veteran here, Chandran, and violin, Satish Seshadri, lights, Sridhar, and Thomas. So we begin with this Varnam in Aditalam Ragamalika.
Raghuvanshachandrane ba Kausalya Sudane ba re Raghuvanshachandrane ba Kausalya Sudane ba re Raghuvanshachandrane ba Kausalya Sudane Vare Raghuvamshachandrane Vare Kausalya Sudane Vare Raghuvamshachandrane Vare
Kutakati kutakati kitatom tam. Da tum da de da da de gin na tum nam da de da na je no di me da de gin na tum dam di da ku da de da da de gin na tum nam da de da na de no di da de gin na tum dam. Di ta ku ta de ta ta de gin na tum nam ta de ta na de no di ta de gin na tum dam ta ku ta ta de gin na tum dam ta de ta na de no di ta de gin na tum dam ta ku ta de ta de gin na tum dam ta de ta na de no di ta de gin na tum dam ta ku ta de ta de gin na tum dam ta de ta na de no di ta de gin na tum dam ta ku ta de ta de gin na tum dam ta de ta na de no di ta de gin na tum dam Tadi ಧಂ ತರಿತಳ ಜಣು ತಿಮಿತ ದಿಕ್ಕಿನ ತುತ ತಕಿಟ ಧೀಂ ತಕಿಟ ಥೋಂ ತಕಿಟ ನಂ ತಕಿಟ ದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಹಿಡಿದು ಥೋಂ ತಕ್ ತಕ್ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ತಕಿನ ತುತ ತಕಿನ ತುತ ತಕಿನ ತುತ ತಕ್ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ತಕಿನ ತುತ ತಕಿನ ತುತ ತಕಿನ ತುತ ತಕ್ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ಹಿಡಿದು ಹಿಡಿದು ಥೋಂ ತ ಹಿಡಿದು ಹಿಡಿದು ಥೋಂ ತ ಹಿಡಿದು ಹಿಡಿದು ಥೋಂ
ಬಾರೆ ರಘುವಂಶಚಂದ್ರನೇ ಕೌಸಲ್ಯ ಸುತನೇ 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 ಬಾರೆ ರಘುವಂಶಚಂದ್ರನೇ
ಕುತಕತೆ ಕುತಕತತಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟತೋಂ ತಣ್ಣಂ ತರಿತ್ತ ತಚ್ಚಂ ಜಂ ತರಿತ್ತ ತಕ ಜಕ ತರಿತ್ತ ತಕ ಕುಕುಂ ತರಿತ್ತ ತಕ ತಕುಂ ತರಿತ್ತ ತಕ ತಣ್ಣಂ ತರಿತ್ತ ತಚ್ಚಂ ಜಂ ತರಿತ್ತ ತಕ ಜಕ ತರಿತ್ತ ತಕ ಕುಕುಂ ತರಿತ್ತ ತಕ ತಕುಂ ತರಿತ್ತ ತಕ ತಣ್ಣಂ ತರಿತ್ತ ತಚ್ಚಂ ಕಿಟ್ಟಂ ತರಿತ್ತ ತಚ್ಚಂ ಜಂಡಂ ತರಿತ್ತ ಜಂ ಜಂ ತರಿತ್ತ ಜಂ ತ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ಕಿಡದು ದರಿಗಿಡದುಂ ತ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ಕಿಡದು ದರಿಗಿಡದುಂ ತ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ಕಿಡದು ದರಿಗಿಡದುಂ ದಂಡಂ ತರಿತ್ತ ಜಂ ಜಂ ತರಿತ್ತ ಜಂ ತ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ಕಿಡದು ದರಿಗಿಡದುಂ ತ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ಕಿಡದು ದರಿಗಿಡದುಂ ತ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ಕಿಡದು ದರಿಗಿಡದುಂ ದಂಡಂ ತರಿತ್ತ ಜಂ ಜಂ ತರಿತ್ತ ಜಂ ತ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ಕಿಡದು ದರಿಗಿಡದುಂ ತ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ಕಿಡದು ದರಿಗಿಡದುಂ ತ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ಕಿಡದು ದರಿಗಿಡದುಂ
ಬಾರೆ ರಘುವಂಶಚಂದ್ರನೇ ಕೌಸಲ್ಯ ಸುತನೇ ಕೌಶಿಕ ಯಜ್ಞರಕ್ಷಕ ದೈತ್ಯಾದಿ ಅಸುರ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಕೌಶಿಕ ಯಜ್ಞರಕ್ಷಕ ದೈತ್ಯಾದಿ असुर शिक्षक कौशिक यज्ञरक्षक दैत्यादि असुर शिक्षक कौशिक यज्ञरक्षक दैत्यादि असुर शिक्षक कौशिक यज्ञरक्षक शिक्षक
तजम 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 तजम
असुर शिक्षक कौशिक यज्ञरक्षक दैत्यादि असुर शिक्षक कौशिक यज्ञरक्षक दैत्यादि असुर शिक्षक कौशिक यज्ञरक्षक दैत्यादि असुर शिक्षक कौशिक यज्ञरक्षक दैत्यादि
ತಿಕ್ಕು ತಕ್ಕ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕುಂತರಿ ತಜ್ಜಂ ಧಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕುಂತರಿ ತಜ್ಜಂ ಜಿಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕುಂತರಿ ತಜ್ಜಂ ದಿಮಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕುಂತರಿ ತಜ್ಜಂ ಧಣ್ಣ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕುಂತರಿ ತಜ್ಜಂ ಧಣ್ಣ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕುಂತರಿ ತಜ್ಜಂ ದಿಮಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕುಂತರಿ ತಜ್ಜಂ ಜಿಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕುಂತರಿ ತಜ್ಜಂ ದಿಮಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತರಿ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ದಣ ತಜ್ಜಂ ದಣ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ಜೇಣು ತಜ್ಜಂ ಜೇಣು ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ದಿಮಿ ತಜ್ಜಂ ದಿಮಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತರಿ ತಜ್ಜ ತರಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ದಣ ತಜ್ಜಂ ದಣ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ಜೇಣು ತಜ್ಜಂ ಜೇಣು ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ದಿಮಿ ತಜ್ಜಂ ದಿಮಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತರಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ದಣ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ಜೇಣು ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ದಿಮಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ರಾಕ ತಜ್ಜಂ ರಾಕತಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಡ್ದು ತರ್ಗಿಡ್ದು ರಾಕತಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಡ್ದು ತರ್ಗಿಡ್ದು ರಾಕತಿಕ್ಕೆ ತದಿಗಿಣದು ತರಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ದಣ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ಜೇಣು ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ದಿಮಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ರಾಕ ತಜ್ಜಂ ರಾಕತಿಕ್ಕೆ ತದಿಗಿಣದು ರಾಕತಿಕ್ಕೆ ತದಿಗಿಣದು ರಾಕತಿಕ್ಕೆ ತದಿಗಿಣದು ತರಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ದಣ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ಜೇಣು ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ದಿಮಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ರಾಕ ತಜ್ಜಂ ರಾಕತಿಕ್ಕೆ ತದಿಗಿಣದು ರಾಕತಿಕ್ಕೆ ತದಿಗಿಣದು ರಾಕತಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಡ್ದು ತರ್ಗಿಡ್ದು
ಕೌಶಿಕ ಯಜ್ಞರಕ್ಷಕ ದೈತ್ಯಾದಿ ಅಸುರ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ತ್ರೇತ ಯುಗದಿ ಅವತರಿಸಿದ ನಾರಾಯಣ 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 ರೇತ ಯುಗದಿ ಅವತರಿಸಿದ
ಬೆಳ್ಳಂಕು ತಕ್ಕತಿ ಕುತ್ತಕ ತದಿಕಿಟ ತೋಂ ತಾಕತ್ತ ಜಂ ತರಿತ ತಕಡಂ ತರಿಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಕಿಟ ಜಂ ತರಿತೈ ತಕ ಜಂ ತರಿಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಗಡ ದಣ ತಗಡ ತೀನು ತದಗಡಿ ತಕಿಟ ತಕ ಜಂ ತರಿಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ತದಣ ದಣ ತದಣ ತೀನು ತದಗಡಿ ತಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಕ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ತದಣ ದಣ ತದಣ ತೀನು ತದಗಡಿ ದಿಮಿತ ಕಿಟ ತಳಂ ತೋ ತಿರುದು ತರ್ಗಡೋ ತದಣ ದಣ ತೀನು ತದಗಡಿ ದಿಮಿತ ಕಿಟ ತಳಂ ತೋ ತಿರುದು ತರ್ಗಡೋ ತದಣ ದಣ ತೀನು ತದಗಡಿ ದಿಮಿತ ಕಿಟ ತಳಂ ತೋ ತಿರುದು ತರ್ಗಡೋ
ತ್ರೇತ ಯುಗದಿ ಅವತರಿಸಿದ ನಾರಾಯಣ ನೀಲ ಮಾಯ ಗುಣಗಳ ಬನ್ನೀಸ ಲಳಿಗೆ ಬಾರಲು ಲೀಲ 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 ಮಾಯ ಗುಣಗಳ ಬಣ್ಣೀಸ ಲಳಿಗೆ ಬಾರಲಿ ಮಾಯ ಗುಣಗಳ ಬಣ್ಣೀಸ ಲಳಿಗೆ ಬಾರು ರಸನಿಧವ ಮಗಮ ಸನಿಧವ ಮಗರಿ ಪಾಮಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಸಾರಿಗಮ ವರವ ಮಮವರವರ ಸನಿಗಾರಿ ಸನಿಧವ ಧನಿ ಸನಿ ಸನಿಧ ಸನಿಧವ ವದನಿ ಬಾರೆ ರಘುವಂಶ ಶರಣನೆ ಬಾ ಕೌಸಲ್ಯ ಸುತನೆ ಬಾರೆ ರಘುವಂಶ ಚಂದ್ರನೆ ಬಾ ನೀನೆ ಪಾದ ಸೇವನೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಮಧುಗುಣ ನೀನೆ ಪಾದ ಸೇವನೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಮನುಕುಲ ನಿಜಗಮ ಬನಿ ನೀನೆ ಪಾದ ಸೇವನೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಮನುಕುಲ ನಿಜಗಮ ಬನಿ ನೀನೆ ಪಾದ ಸೇವನೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಮನುಕುಲ ನೀನೆ ಪಾದ ಸೇವನೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಮನುಕುಲ ಗಮ ಬನಿ ನೀನೆ ಪಾದ ಸೇವನೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಮಧುಕುಲ ಗಮ ಬನಿ ನೀನೆ ಪಾದ ಸೇವನೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಗಮ ಬನಿ ನೀನೆ ಪಾದ ಸೇವನೆ ನಿನಗೆ ನೀನೆ ಪಾದ ಸೇವನೆ ನಿನಗೆ ನೀನೆ ಪಾದ ಸೇವನೆ ನಿನಗೆ ನೀನೆ ಪಾದ ಸೇವನೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಮನುಕುಲ ನಿಜಗಮ ಬನಿ ನೀನೆ ಪಾದ ಸೇವನೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಮನುಕುಲ ನಿಜಗಮ ಬನಿ ನೀನೆ ಪಾದ ಸೇವನೆ ಶಿವಶ್ಚ ಹೃದಯಂ ವಿಷ್ಣು ವಿಷ್ಣುಶ್ಚ ಹೃದಯಂ ಶಿವ ಶಿವಾಯ ವಿಷ್ಣುರೂಪಾಯ ವಿಷ್ಣವೇ ಪ್ರಭ ವಿಷ್ಣವೇ ಪಾದ ಸೇವನೆ ನೀನೆ ಪಾದ ಸೇವನೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಮಧುಕುಲ ನಿಜಗಮ ಬನಿ ನೀನೆ ಪಾದ ಸೇವನೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಮಧುಕುಲ ನಿಜಗಮ ಬನಿ ನೀನೆ ಪಾದ ಸೇವನೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಏಕವಚನ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮಂ ಏಕಪತ್ನಿ ವ್ರತಂ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮಂ ಏಕಬಾಣಂ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮಂ ರಾಮ ತುಭ್ಯಂ ನಮೋ ನಮಃ ನಮೋ ನಮಃ ಭಜೆ ರಾಮದ್ವಯಂ भजे रामम् अद्वयं भजे राममद्वयं भजे राममद्वयं रामं भजे श्रीरामं भजे सीतारामं पट्टाभिरामं
I think you can clap a little more. Huh? 4 beats. 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. 5 beats. Without it. 5 beats. Back, back beat. Back, back beat. 7. Back beat. Back beat. Bring me. Back beat. Back, back. 9. Back beat. Bring me. Back beat. Back beat. Back beat. Bring me. Back beat. In rhythm is Ram. In every footwork is Ram. Stay in tune with this layer inside, and Ram walks with you, talks to you, breathes with you. Thank you, Shamal.
A beautiful choreography and concept. Wonderful music by Sri N.N. Shivaprasad ji. And can I call those cuties, those small kids? They were amazing. Usually we always say that we want artists 18 plus, but I knew, and they proved. Lataka, I want you to introduce their names, please. Mic chalu rakhiye, please.
Kya baat hai. Okay. That is Navya. I call all of them Kanna, so I have to think. Navya, Gayatri. Come in front. Inaya. I can't see the little one behind. Tanvi. Tiara. Arohi. Aradhya. Ananya. Kuta. Come in front. Come right in front. Little more. 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 Yes. Now you can clap for all of them. And the big little Kannas. Ananya Mohanaya. Megha Pillai. And Kayakshi Richard. The absolutely captivating music that is the prasadam to me. I should say over the years he came to Mumbai looking such a very, scared, I should say, because he was going to sing for my guru. The first program that he did was with my very, very, the monarch of all rhythms, I should say, who is still living on. I do not say late Kadirvelu Pillai because gurus are visionaries, they live on forever. That was the first program, and today he is, I think, a boon unto many, many dancers of various dance forms. A big round of applause to Shiva. And what can one say of Sri Chandran, the veteran? I think Chandran plays the same way, whether it is for the kuttis or with the seasoned artist, no compromise. So I think he has always been like this. And for that, a greater round of applause. And the king or the queen of all melodies, Satish Seshadri. And my pranam to Sri Deepak Roy Guruji, who has come all the way from Bengal to be a part of this festival. The very young, the happening curator and guru in the scenario of dance today. I think he's second to none as far as his performance goes. Very meticulous, pristine. Anand Sachidanand. A big round of applause for him and to all the artists. Yeah. Sridhar and all who keep us audible and visible. Pranam.
Thank you, Lataka. Before we begin our next performance, thank you, girls. I would like to call upon Guru Kalashri Dr. Lata Surendraji and her team from Anjali Bharatanatyam Research Trust. I request Pawarji to be on stage. She's been patiently waiting. All the people, they are from one part of Mumbai called Vasai. And I will always call it Mumbai because that's an extended part of Mumbai. A big round of applause for all these children.